Hey, so does Amazon integrate with QuickBooks Online? Well, the answer is yes, and there's a really cool app that can help you connect between the two. It's called Link My Books. It's an accounting and bookkeeping software, and you're going to have a free trial of Link My Books down in the description for you, a special link. Also, this link grants you a free onboarding with Link My Books. Plus, you're going to find a nice coupon code to save money with Link My Books in the description as well, and tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of Link My Books. So Amazon integration, sync Amazon payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, breaking down all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately. So Link My Books is accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, as I mentioned previously, accounting and bookkeeping software. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, and built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Free trial, free onboarding, best coupon code are in the description. With the integrations part, we have Amazon, as I've mentioned previously, but also Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, and WooCommerce. So you can connect those platforms with the help of Link My Books to QuickBooks or to Xero. And another really cool part about Link My Books that it can be used by e-commerce sellers and also by accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, in the description of the video, you're going to find the link to this video where myself, great to meet you, Vava Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, we show you how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers from A to Z. It's a 30-minute tutorial that shows you all the process from A to Z, how to work with Link My Books and how to make the most out of it. Now, the second video is going to be a video for accountants and bookkeepers, because as mentioned previously, as you can see here, Link My Books can also be used by accountants and bookkeepers. Hence, in this video, with again myself, Vava Evan, great to meet you, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, we show you how to make the most out of Link My Books and how to use it for accountants and bookkeepers. It's a 41-minute tutorial link down in the description for you. So if you are an accountant or bookkeeper looking to use Link My Books to sync between Amazon and QuickBooks or Xero or all the other platforms that I've mentioned previously, WooCommerce, Square, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok Shop, eBay, Shopify, and again, Amazon, then check out all the tutorials in the description. As well as mentioned previously, you have a free trial of Link My Books, special link down in the description, which also comes with free onboarding. So if you have any questions, people from Link My Books will help you and guide you step by step from A to Z, and a special coupon code in the description that helps you save money with Link My Books. And all the tutorials are also in the description. Have a great day and a great life. Bye-bye.